It took Lars 2 hours to ride his bicycle 48 kilometers. What was his average speed in miles per hour? And we want to use this approximation down here. So we are going to have to do some unit conversions from kilometers to miles. But first, let's get the formula for average speed up here. Average speed is the distance that somebody travels divided by the amount of time that it takes them to travel that distance. So we know that it took Lars 2 hours to go 48 kilometers. But if we want average speed in miles per hour, we should figure out how many miles did he travel. So that's where this unit conversion comes into play. So we know that 1 mile is equivalent to 1.6 kilometers, at least for the purpose of this question. And we also know that he went 48 kilometers. How many miles is that? Well, one thing that I see is that we have all the information on top that we need. So I know that 1.6 divided by itself would give me 1. So if I were to divide 48 by 1.6, I would know how many miles he went. And I know that 48 divided by 1.6 does not sound like a nice division problem. It sounds pretty gross, in fact. But there is a nifty little trick we can use. I don't like this decimal, so I'm going to move this decimal point 1 spot to the right and make that a 16. And I'll compensate by adding a 0 to the 48. So this new problem is 480 divided by 16. And you'll see this isn't so bad. We'll use a little bit of short division. 16 goes into 48 3 times evenly. 16 times 3 is 48, so there's none left over. And 16 goes into 0 times with none left over. So Lars went 30 miles. So let's go and pick the answer. Oh, wait! I think 30 is a trap. They want to know his average speed in miles per hour. He didn't go 1 hour, he went for 2 hours. So these 30 miles that he traveled, I'll write that here, divided by the 2 hours that it took him to travel those 30 miles. That would be 15 miles per hour. And that's our answer.